Now I want to make this personal, and I'm going to put it over in the first person. My word is what I think, feel, and say about myself. And it's an interesting thing about your word, because the lesson is about how your word becomes flesh. By becoming flesh, we mean that what you think, what you feel, what you say about yourself is always coming into visibility as your experience. What you think about yourself, what you feel about yourself, what you say about yourself is always becoming incarnate, always coming into form as your experience. Now that's the law. As a man thinks, so is he. Say that.
As a man thinks, so is he.
Say it again.
As a man thinks, so is he.
Now listen to this. There is nothing that you can do to alter that law that as a man thinks, so is he. There's nothing that you can do to alter the law that your word becomes flesh. Your word becomes expressed as your experience. But there is something that you can do to control your experience by controlling your word. You can control what you think. You can determine how you feel. And you can learn to control your mouth. Surprisingly. Now, I know for some of you that's difficult, but it can be done. Say with me, it can be done. You see, your word is so very important because you're always experiencing your word. Ask yourself this question: what am I saying about myself within myself? What am I feeling about myself within myself? What am I thinking about myself within myself? You see, that is your word. And everything happens first on the level of your word, within your subjective self. And then becomes flesh. That's why you need to learn how to tell your mind what to think. You see, you can't let your mind just think randomly. In this world today, everybody and everything are out for your mind. You read the newspaper, they're out for your mind. You turn on television, they're after your mind. But you have to tell your mind what to think. You decide what you want to be, to do, and to have, and start thinking in that way. Start feeling in that way. Start speaking the word in that way.